In this video, we're going to learn how to use and install plugins in Figma. So the very first thing that you want to do is to open up any design file, and as you're going to see, we're going to have this resources icon. Now, the moment that you click on it, you're going to see three tabs at the very top, which are going to be components, plugins, and widgets. Now, of course, the one that we're interested in is the plugins, and by default, you're going to say a few of the recent plugins which you used. You can also browse by development, but the main feature is going to be the search, which is going to enable you to find plugins. So say that, for example, you're looking for a wireframe plugin. Simply click on or type in wireframe. You're going to see all sorts of different plugins from the community. You can click on one in order to get more information about it, and you can also see, which is quite useful, the amount of people who are using the plugin, which gives you a clue as to how popular the plugin is, and not always, but a lot of the times can also give you insights on the quality and the maintenance, if the developer is actually maintaining the plugin, if that's a requirement for that specific plugin. And you can simply click on run in order to load it up and install it in your Figma account. Now at this point, each and every plugin is going to work in different ways, of course, but for the very most part, all of them are going to be in this window, which is going to vary in size and in function, of course. But one thing that you want to keep in mind is that whenever you run a plugin and you go under the main menu, under the plugin section, you're going to see the recent plugins directly from here. So you don't necessarily need to always search for that plugin again. You can simply go over here and you can find some of the most recent plugins which you used. So this is in a nutshell how you can find plugins. You can also click here under manage plugins in order to prompt that exact same window of the resources. And in the next videos, we're going to see some of the top plugins which I personally use and recommend, and as well as many other designers. So keep stay tuned for the rest.